Hey, I'm so glad you stopped by today because I'm about to change your life forever. You will never look at color the same way again. So if you're watching this video, maybe you've had a really hard time figuring out your skin's undertone. And I totally understand. It's really confusing because there's so much information out there. So I'm hoping today that I can really simplify this for you by delving into the blue base, yellow base color system and showing you how to find your perfect foundation shade using the Oxygenetix 7 blue based and 7 yellow based shades. So why is it important to know your skin's undertone? Well, when you know your undertone, then it's really easy to find your perfect foundation shade, your perfect eyeshadow colors, blush colors, hair color even, and the clothing that you wear. If you wear colors that are in your spectrum, you will look healthier, more vibrant, and people will trust you more. But if you wear colors that don't look good on you, you can look washed out and sickly. So every day, our eyes are subject to 16 million colors, and each one of these colors is either blue or yellow based, meaning they either have more blue or more yellow pigment in them. So this theory is something that was actually discovered by the late Robert Dorr back in 1928. My grandmother, Renee Knapp, studied with him, and she wrote a series of books on this color system. My father was also fascinated with color. He was a makeup formulator and a hairdresser. He used the blue base, yellow base color system to his advantage in all of his businesses. From choosing hair colors to formulating the Oxygenetix foundation shades, my dad really understood this color system. Oxygenetix topicals were originally designed for post-procedural skin, so they're extremely safe for all skin types. Oxygenating foundation provides flawless coverage and skincare benefits all in one, really simplifying your skincare routine. You can find more information at oxygenetix.com. Now let's figure out if you are blue or yellow based. We are all born with a natural ability to like colors in our spectrum. So I think a fun way to do this and test your instincts is going to be to show you colors of different things that are blue based and yellow based, and you decide which one you like more. We're going to start with the color blue. The colors I'm about to show you may look different on your screen. Take off any color filters and turn up that brightness for an optimal experience. So here I have a blue-based couch. This is a royal blue, a sapphire blue. And over here I have a dusty blue, more of a yellow-based couch. So if you were at a furniture store and you had to choose between these two couches to put in your home, which one would you choose? Now I'm going to show you greens. So here we have a very foresty green, dark green shirt. And here we have more of an army green shirt. Which one do you think is yellow-based? If you chose army green, you are correct. Army green is our yellow-based shirt, and this one is our blue-based shirt. If you had to choose one to wear, which would it be? Now I'm going to show you a couple different nail polish colors. Nail polish is a great indicator of blue-based or yellow-based because you will never choose the wrong nail polish color, especially since we look at our nails all the time. So if you were at the salon, would you rather have a blue-based pink or more of a peachy pink, a yellow-based pink nail polish? If you chose this one, you're blue-based, and this one, you are yellow-based. I want to show you a real-life example so that you can start seeing how wearing the wrong color really affects your look. To do this, I'm going to put on a couple different lipstick colors. One is going to be blue-based, and one is going to be yellow-based. I want you to decide which color you like more for yourself, and which one you think looks better on me as a blue-based person. I'm going to start with the yellow base shade. We're going to go in with this color right here. This is pretty much a pure orange lipstick, or more of a coral color. Okay, what do you think? So this is extremely jarring. It really stands out against my pink eyeshadow, my pink blush, my blue shirt, everything. It's probably the first thing you're gonna look at because it doesn't jive with the rest of my look. Maybe you can't tell on camera, but it's also making my teeth extremely yellow. So yeah, I just can't pull this color off. But for you, how do you like this color? Would you choose a coral or a reddish orange lipstick? Do you have one that you absolutely love in your makeup box? Then you're probably a yellow based. Okay, let's do the blue base color. Now I'm gonna go in with this magenta shade. This is definitely a blue-based pink. Okay, what do you think about this color? Notice how, yes, this is bright as well, but it doesn't look as jarring, it doesn't look as intense as the orange did on me. So which color did you like more? Do you like this magenta blue-based color or the coral orange-based, yellow-based color? Now I'm going to show you a row of yellow-based colors against a row of blue-based colors. I think this is a great way to start training your eye and start seeing the differences between the two spectrums. So here on top we have our yellow-based colors, and here on the bottom we have our blue-based colors. There might be colors you don't like in each row, but try to look at it as a whole. Which row do you like more? Now I want to delve into your skin's undertone. So undertone is very different than skin tone. Your skin tone varies depending on how tan or fair you are at the time. So in the summer, your skin tone might be darker, then in the winter it might be lighter. Your undertone never changes. Your undertone will always be the same. So as I ask you these questions about your skin's undertone, there's a few different places that are great to look. Your neck and your décolleté or your chest area is a great place to look. Our faces can be different depending on different hormones or skin conditions like rosacea. So our necks and our chests are a great place to look. Even the palms of your hands can be a great place to look, or your nail beds. Another place is your ears. Your ears can be a great indicator of skin tone. Another great way to check your skin's undertone is to look at yourself in front of a white background or put a white piece of paper up to your skin. It's way easier to tell when you have this contrast. Can you tell how pink my skin is when it's next to the white? If you're rosy like me, then welcome to the blue-based crew. Now, it can be really hard to look at yourself objectively, so if you're having a hard time figuring out your skin's undertone, ask a friend to help you. I'm going to be using the Fitzpatrick scale, which is essentially your skin's tolerance to the sun, to show what colors to look for in your skin when figuring out your undertone. I've organized the Fitzpatricks into 3 groups to simplify it. I'll also show you which Oxygenetix shade would work best on you. If you are a Fitzpatrick 1 and 2, so you have very, very fair to light skin, you burn very easily, you may or may not have freckles, and you have a peachy pink undertone, then you will be yellow-based. If you have a more rosy pink undertone, then you will be blue-based. If you're blue-based, then you would be Oxygenetix shades Pearl or Ivory, and if you're yellow-based, then you would be Opal or Cream. If you're Fitzpatrick's 3 and 4, and you have beige, medium to light brown skin, you tan a little bit more easily. When you get tan, do you get more golden and bronzy, or do you get more reddish brown? If you get more golden, then you are yellow-based, and if you get more reddish brown, then you are blue-based. If you're blue-based, then you would be Oxygenetix shades Taupe or Walnut, and if you are yellow-based, you would be beige, almond, or honey. If you're Fitzpatrick's 5 and 6 and you have dark brown skin, if your skin has more of a blue undertone, more of a plum or burgundy undertone, then you are going to be blue-based. And if you have a definite golden brown tone, then you're going to be yellow-based. If you are blue-based and you have darker skin, then you would wear Oxygenetix shades Cocoa, Ebony, or Mahogany. And if you are yellow-based, then you would wear Tawny or Chakra. Now remember, you can mix 2 foundation shades together to create your perfect match. In fact, this means that it'll last twice as long, and you can custom color match as the seasons change, as your skin tone changes. I actually use Pearl and Ivory. I mix them together, and I also use Pearl as the lighter shade as an under eye and as a concealer for my blemishes. It really works perfectly for me. When testing your foundation shade, a really good place to do this is going to be your jawline down to your neck. When you are testing on your jawline, put 2 shades right next to each other so you can really see the difference. The shade that seems to disappear into your skin is the one that is a shade for you. I really hope this video helped you find your skin's undertone. Please leave me a comment in the section below. If you're still a little bit confused, I can help answer any questions that you have. Also, I'm going to be making more videos about the blue-based, yellow-based color system. So let me know if there's anything specific that you would like to learn about, and I will see you next time.